Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find friend code in Among Us and add friends. Here's how to find your friend code and add friends in Among Us. First, open a game, sign into your account either through your existing login or by creating a new account via Google Play. After signing in, you'll be able to see or create your own friend code. Either choose one yourself or let the game generate a random code. Make sure to note it down exactly as shown, including the correct capitalization, so others can add you. To add friends, tap the Friends button in the top right corner, enter their friend code carefully, and then press the small green plus icon. Your friend will receive a request, and once they confirm it, you'll be connected in the game. Remember, you can add multiple friends this way and even organize private lobbies for a more personalized Among Us experience, making it easier to play with your friends anytime. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.